Now, today's class, I'm going to teach you how you can get your characteristic part, how you can get your decimal part from the what? The four-figure table, and how you can read the four-figure table. Now, we can get our characteristic part by using subtraction method and what? The standard form method. But today we are going to look at subtraction method. How do we use subtraction method? When you see we have 3.631, so it means that this here we have one digit. You always be taking minus 1. In subtraction method, we are expected to be minusing 1 from each of the what? The number. So here is one digit. We are going to say 1 minus 1. That means the characteristic part of this number is 0. Here we have 1 and 2. Here you are going to say 2 minus 1. That means the characteristic part of here is what? 1. Here we have 3, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 digits. We are going to say 3 minus 1. That means the characteristic part is 2. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to say 4 minus 1. The characteristic part is what? 3. Now, later we are going to use the standard form. Now, how can we get our decimal part? The decimal part is getting using what? The four-figure table. And what are we going to do? It means that we are going to read 36 under 3 difference 1. So I've skeletized the four-figure table by, on the four-figure table you see x here. This 0 ranges from 0 to 9. Then you also see subtraction of what? The difference. It starts from what? 1 to what? 9. So on that four-figure table, it starts from 10, go to where you can see 36. 36 under 3. 36 under 3 will give us 5599. So I have also my four-figure table. When you open, you go to where you can see 36. When you see 36, check under what? 3. You are going to see what? 5559. So you write down what? 559. So that is the first. That is what? 36 under 3. Look at 36. Look at 3. Now difference 1. When you go to subtraction of difference under 3 that matches that 36, what can you see? Difference 1 is 1. You now add this number together. So 1 plus 9 plus 1 will give us 10. Write down 0, carry 1. 10, write down 0, carry 1. This one will now be 6 and 56. So that means the decimal part is 56.5600. Now, irrespective of the point, whether the point is here, you still read 36 under 3 difference 1. The decimal point is 600. 36 under 3 difference 1. The decimal point is this. 36 under 6 difference 1. The decimal point is this. So this is what I want to teach you today. How do you read it? 1 digit, 1 minus 1, 0 decals. So when you now join this one, when you join these two, we now have 0.5600. That means you press your log 3.631. This is what is going to give you 0.5600. And when you press log 36.31, it's going to give you 1.5600. And when you press log 363.1, it's going to give you 2.5600. And when you press log 3631, it's going to give you 3.5600. Thank you.